What if I told you that in just 1 hour, you could start reshaping your reality? A straightforward method that transforms your mindset, sets your desires in motion, and delivers results almost instantly. No complex steps, no tricks. This is not some fanciful idea, it's a technique grounded in real principles. Neville Goddard, one of the greatest minds in the field of manifestation, unveiled profound insights into the law of assumption and the incredible power of imagination. Yet, among his transformative teachings lies a specific practice that often goes unnoticed, and today you're going to learn exactly how to use it. In this video, I'll guide you through a step-by-step approach to this powerful method, one that has helped countless individuals create their dream lives. Done correctly, this technique can start to work for you in as little as an hour. Stick with me, and you'll uncover something that has the potential to change how you perceive and navigate your world forever. This channel is your ultimate resource for unlocking the immense potential of your mind. If you're ready to take charge of your life, make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon so you never miss a transformative update. Now let's dive in. Before we delve into the details of this groundbreaking technique, it's essential to understand the mind behind it, Neville Goddard. Neville wasn't just another self-help guru. He was a visionary, a mystic, and a trailblazer in revealing the mind's limitless power. Born in 1905, he dedicated his life to uncovering how imagination shapes the fabric of our reality. Unlike many of his contemporaries, Neville didn't merely share theories. He offered practical tools anyone could use to manifest their desires. At the heart of his philosophy is a revolutionary concept, the law of assumption. This principle asserts that your assumptions, whether about your circumstances, abilities, or life itself, directly shape your reality. For Neville, imagination wasn't mere daydreaming. It was the driving force behind all transformation, capable of bending reality to align with your inner vision. Though his teachings have profoundly impacted thousands, Neville's work remains relatively underappreciated compared to modern manifestation figures. But his focus was clear: assume the feeling of your desire already fulfilled, and your world will shift to reflect it. This understanding is crucial because the method I'm about to share comes straight from his teachings, a simple, practical approach that delivers fast results if applied with dedication. The technique I'll outline is known as the state akin to sleep or SATS. This method harnesses the edge of sleep, a state where your mind becomes highly receptive, to reprogram your subconscious and bring your desires to life. Here's why it works. When you're deeply relaxed, your subconscious mind is more open to new ideas, making it the ideal moment to plant the seeds of your goals. So, how do you practice SATS? Find a quiet space. Start by choosing a calm, distraction-free environment where you can sit or lie down comfortably. Close your eyes and allow your body to fully relax. Ease into drowsiness. Enter a state of deep relaxation. You want to reach that serene, in-between place where you're neither fully awake nor entirely asleep, like the dreamy feeling just before drifting off. Craft a mental scene. Imagine a concise, vivid scene that represents your desire as already realized. For example, if you're manifesting a promotion, envision someone congratulating you or picture yourself signing the offer letter. Feel it as real. This is the cornerstone of the technique. Don't just visualize the scene. Immerse yourself in the emotions of it being true. Feel the joy, relief, gratitude, whatever emotions naturally arise when your wish is fulfilled. Let the scene loop. Replay the scene repeatedly in your mind like a short film. Stay immersed in the feeling for as long as possible, allowing the emotions to deepen. When performed correctly, this practice imprints your subconscious with the reality of your desire. Since your subconscious doesn't distinguish between imagined and actual experiences, it begins working to manifest your vision. With one clear scene and the right feelings, this method becomes a powerful tool for transformation. Why does this work? Neville's teachings are rooted in the understanding that the subconscious mind governs much of our lives. It doesn't question what's real or imagined. It simply accepts and acts on what you consistently impress upon it. By vividly imagining a desired outcome and pairing it with strong emotions, your subconscious begins to align your thoughts, actions, and circumstances to make it real. Neville often emphasized, assume the feeling of your wish fulfilled, because your emotions fuel your assumptions, and those assumptions manifest as your lived experience. This isn't wishful thinking. It's the combined power of belief, imagination, and focus, backed by how your mind operates. Science even supports this idea. Athletes visualize success before competing because imagining triumph activates the same neural pathways as physically achieving it. Similarly, SATS bypasses the skeptical conscious mind and directly engages the receptive subconscious, planting the seed of your envisioned reality. The results? A shift in your actions, thoughts, and even the opportunities that come your way, all aligning with the assumption you've impressed upon your mind. Let me share a few examples of SATS in action. One man longed to reunite with his family after years of separation but had no clear way to make it happen. Using SATS nightly, he visualized himself back home, imagining the joy of sitting around the dinner table with his loved ones. Soon, unforeseen circumstances paved the way for his return. In another case, a woman drowning in debt used SATS to manifest financial freedom. Each night, she pictured holding a bank statement showing her desired balance and felt the relief and gratitude as if it were real. Within weeks, opportunities emerged, a job offer, a forgotten refund check, and a promotion, bringing her vision to life. Stories like these demonstrate that focused imagination and belief aren't just theoretical concepts, they're tools for real change. You now have a method that can shift your reality within an hour. Try it tonight, find that quiet space, imagine your wish fulfilled, and feel it as if it's already true. With consistent practice, the results could amaze you. If you enjoyed this content, please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and share your experience in the comments. I'd love to hear how this technique works for you. Remember, everything you desire is within your grasp. Believe it, feel it, and watch it become your reality. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.